Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with my paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up. So I've been going back through cleaning out my, mess, my cumulative mess from when I was sick. I've gotten everything back here organized. Most, if not all, will go out to the cottage. I will film 2 of the boxes because they're Stampin' Up. But I am so thrilled. I got these darling boxes of just pink. They have Daisy and Minnie on them. I'll try to put a picture maybe on Instagram. You guys can see them. They were a really good deal. I think they were like $4. And yeah, I mean, even if they may have been like $4.75. But yeah, they have lids. They're fantastic. So, and they stack beautifully. I kind of thought initially I would use them for my grandchildren, and I may just use them to transport my stuff out that's organized now, and then I may bring them back in and put the goodies in for my granddaughters. But we'll see. And at some point I'm gonna have grandsons too, so I'm gonna have to have some boy boxes too. Yes, I know. All right, so let's get in here. I have not looked at this. I'm so excited. Okay, all right. So, ooh, this is so cute. It says hello. Thinking of you, love you. Let's see, love you a whole bunch. That's cute. You are the sweetest. Clearly has to do with fruit. And you're the pick of the crop. That is so stinking cute. So strawberries, blueberries, love it, love it, love it. It has to do with berries. Let's see, the ink is, pardon me, Coral Calypso, perfect. And I will show you how I've set up everything for the last 4 kits, I think it's 3 kits. So I love this. This is so much fun. So I just think I think these are just a deal. And the number one reason why is they are easy peasy. If you're brand new to stamping, they are easy. You can do this. It is a no-brainer. You are good to go. So I know I'm not opinionated on this, am I? But I am, because I do believe they are just exactly what I said. They are just so user-friendly. Now, you guys know I save the tissue. Yes, because I'm a junk journaler, and this will go to trash. All right, now, oh, that felt so good to throw that in that box and just say voila. I know. Okay. All right, I'm getting here. Sorry, guys. All right, so there's that. Now, they're great bang for your buck. There are videos online from Stampin' Up, plus all kinds of demonstrators who do different things with them, or the same thing with them. Oh my goodness, I have not seen all this. Oh, how cute. So these are such a great launching point in stamping, paper crafting, however you want to think about using them. To me, it is a fantastic deal. You get everything in the kit that you're going to need, and sometimes more. So let me see here. I had the instructions. So in every one of these, you get a piece of cardstock, which I will keep and I will use every single one of them, because I think I'm going to be making mini books. So if I split that down, I'll show you, they will fit perfectly, yeah, as an album. So I'm going to do something different, but I will share that with you. I've shared it on the other ones. You can also use the envelopes to make a mini album as well. But aren't these so cute? These would be, oh my gosh, I love that pink. Ah, super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I really like this one. Of course, I literally woke up this morning 6:45, could not go back to sleep. When the alarm went off for my husband, I finally let myself get up, and I ran in the kitchen and just started cutting strawberries and just getting everything prepped for my fridge. So this was the June box. So pick of the crop paper pumpkin, so you can make that card, which is so charming. It's flowers, like a flower cart. And then here is this. That is so cute. Let me see. That is a thinking of you bouquet. And then you can stamp the little bag, and then you can make the fruit card. So I think this is fun. I think this would be a charming project to do, even with my granddaughters. So I'm going to put this over here. We've seen that. You also get, and I didn't show you, you get the sticker dots, which help so much. And it looks like we're going to get that same beautiful gray kind of DMC type, floss twine. And that's so you can make buttons. All right, got some paper there. And then you also get the dimensionals. These are the good size dimensionals. And don't throw away the outside. I use all of it. You can take your scissors, snip it, and you're good to go. Okay? Don't throw anything away. You also get all these charming punch outs. Oh, that's cheese. Now I see. How cute. Oh, for goodness sake. So that's all that. Love it. And these can be used in a mini album too. I know. Okay, so instructions, if I haven't shown you, are all in here as well. Plus, you can go online and watch the people at the home office. They do a demonstration, and like I said, other demonstrators as well. So here are the card bases. So these are almost done. Seriously, these are almost done. How cute are these? I know. And then you've got that. Love that. And then last but not least, you have this. Now it looks like, oh no, it's a part of it. I thought that was square gingham. Oh my goodness gracious. That is going to be way too much fun. Okay, album number 3 is right here. Actually, I'll probably do like 2 in each one. So it'll be 5 and 6 album. Okay, so now we've got vellum. Ooh, I'm trying to see all different size vellum. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get it on an angle. Maybe you guys can see the cuts. I know, it's so hard to tell. But different shaped vellum. How nice will that be? With your vellum, you have to be careful how you use your glue, your tape runner, and how you store it. Just FYI. I know this from experience. So here is that bread, the small baguettes, and then you've got the strawberries and blueberries. How much fun is that? And there are many, and they're pre-cut, so you just have to punch them out. And then lastly, there's the flower cart. I love this. Oh my goodness, and I love those flowers. So I had said earlier I was doing something with the lavender ones. Yeah, that'll be what I'll do for my sister and brother. All right, so there we go. I love this. And of course, you have the envelopes. You can also make an album out of these as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. These are really fast openings. If you guys want to see how I go about this process, leave a comment below. I will be glad to bring you along in a heartbeat. These are going to be really fast, easy peasy, ready to go mini albums. And I'm going to pre-print pictures. I won't share the picture part, but I will share where I'll put pictures. And it's a really easy process, so I'll be glad to share that with you. But I think this will be a great project for my siblings, my children for Christmas, etc. I also have this cute little bag. I really don't know what to do with that. I think it's just too cute. Anyways, my granddaughters have a birthday coming up, so I don't know. But if I don't have 2, I know, you see my dilemma. All right, friends. So I wanted to show you. So this is just a bag I got at Daiso. I have a devotional and a few other things in there. So I am literally just stacking these in. So I will set this down. You can see I've got 1, 2, and here is number 3. I know I have one out, at least 1 or 2 out in the cottage. I'm putting my inks down the side here, and I am good to go. I can take this anywhere. I will put my tape runner in here, and I am done. This is a super easy project. So again, if you want to see me do this project, let me know. I also have other goodies that I've packed up in another Daiso bag. Aren't these bags great? I know, they're just fantastic. All right, friends. I know I digress. Sorry. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Welcome to all my new friends. And we're so glad you're here. We're so glad you're here. And if you stayed to the end, God bless you. You're really helping the channel, and I appreciate that. It really helps me out. And that way I can bring more fun projects to you guys. And right now, clearly, it's more about the, getting through and get everything sorted. So then we can play. All right, friends, y'all take care. Have a great day. And I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all be safe. Love y'all.